in the box?
Hi, and welcome to Poptography. My name's Patrick, and today we're going to take a look at what's in the box for one of the gifts I received from my wife, which is the Covert Mandalorian 352. So we're going to get this puppy out of the box and take a closer look at it. So this is the Covert Mandalorian, and this is one of the ones that I had told my wife that I was looking for. Actually, the Mandalorian Judge, which is orange and teal. Almost picked this up on my own while Christmas shopping. Almost treated myself to this, but I decided not to, only because if my wife was looking for a Mandalorian in teal, and which she was, this is what she picked out. So luckily, I didn't duplicate the Funko Pop. So this Funko Pop is an older Mandalorian from like the very first wave, and I'm surprised I missed this one, but I really enjoy the details on this one. If you look at it, it's just very, very well sculpted. And this is one of those earlier ones. So she's got her little cape going. She's got her blaster up and over her shoulder, just kind of casually with a great stance and pose. But very good detail on this Mandalorian. Really like this Funko Pop. Let's put this on to the turntable so you can get a better look at it. If you like today's content, please hit that like, definitely hit the subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of Poptography. Until then, may the Force be with you.